All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of break number 1, which is one of the NFL Red Zone card boxes. This is a head-to-head showdown between Joe and Russell. So we'll check the time, December 12th at 6:49 p.m. We're going to go over to, we'll call the raffle and type live. We have December 12th at 6:49 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your 2 names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Russell. Spot 3 is your winner. So, Russell, we can either open these live or I can send it to you sealed. Just let me know. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, December 12th, 6:50 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.